Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to change your LinkedIn profile from the light mode to dark mode or from dark mode to light mode, how we can do this. So it's pretty straightforward and a quick video. What you can do is just head over to the top left corner where you see your profile picture. Just click on that and go to the settings here from the bottom and just select the account preferences right here. And you will find the display option which says the dark mode and the light mode option. So you can switch to either of them. Right now I have selected the light mode, just change it to dark mode and we are good to go. So that's it. This is a pretty straightforward video. I hope it helps and I'll see you in the next one.